Hey everyone, here's how to remove Powered by Convertkit from your forms and landing pages. What you're going to need to do is log into Convertkit, log in, landing pages and forms. You're going to click one, um, and then you're going to click the magic wand. You're just going to add this custom CSS. It's in the post below. That's all you need to do, and you're all set. If you're having trouble on the forms, they have a little bit of a new layout. So you can go over here to your form. When you click the wand, it just does this styles thing. So you got to go to settings, style, and then add your custom CSS there. Other than that, you should be all set. Thanks for watching.